Now we got full-on puppy play going here. Everybody likes to play. Everybody, hello, here comes Rusty. They all can jump out of the box now, so they like to run around. And they're following me and I can't take a video because they're all at my feet. Oh, there's Mama. Whenever Mama's around, they go running after her. Hey, hey, somebody's biting my pajamas. Hey, there they go, woo. There they go, there's Mama, wee. And then if she stops anywhere, like to get a pet from me, they all come and go crazy trying to get up there, getting a little drink. I'm giving them food now, so she doesn't feed them nearly as much. Because they've all got teeth and they bite and it hurts. Oh, who's that? Hi guys, there's Rusty. Look at that little face, that's Rusty. That's Violet and Peanut. Here's Maribel and Goldie doing a little wrestling. Oh no, I don't know if that's Goldie or not. Yeah, it's Goldie. Whoop. Here's a couple more wrestling. Wrestling is the big activity now. Oh, there's a squeaky. Oh boy, wow. Oh, I got another one here in my pajamas. Round. Trying to get up there. Can you do it? Almost. Jump. Jump. Woo. And here's the famous dog bed. There's Violet. She's on the dog bed. Run, run! They're hilarious when they run. Oh, here we go. We're gonna get ya. We're gonna get ya. We're gonna. Oh, here comes Rusty. Go, go, go.